Hello mga bata! Kamusta ang buhay-buhay? Ako nga pala si Teacher Rob at welcome sa ating panibagong episode. Sa episode na ito ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung ano ang food chain. Dito malalaman nyo kung ano ang categories ng food chain at kung ano-ano ang nakapaloob dito. So first, we will read the learning objectives. So our learning objectives is define what is food chain, understand what is food chain, and the importance of food chain. So ano nga ba ang food chain? The food chain is a series of relationships between organisms showing how energy and nutrients are transferred from one organism to another in an ecosystem. It includes producers, consumers, and decomposers. The producers. Producers are organisms that create their own food by doing the process called photosynthesis. The consumers. Consumers are organisms that eat other organisms in order to attain nutrients. So, example nito is ang worm, kinakain niya ang plants so that makuha ng worm ang nutrients galing sa plants. Okay? Gets. Next. Consumer classification. So, consumers are classified into three categories, mainly herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. First, the herbivore. Herbivore is an organism that eats plants and fruits. Next, carnivore. Carnivore is an organism that eats meat. Next, omnivore. It is an organism that eats both plants and meat. Let's proceed to decomposers. Decomposers are organisms who's responsible for breaking down organic matters. These organisms play a crucial role in balancing the ecosystem. Next, let's proceed to the importance of the food chain. So what is the importance of the food chain? Food chain is important because it shows the intricate relationships in ecosystems. Food chain is important because we will have a better understanding on how animal natures work. And food chain is very important because it balances the ecosystem. So, thank you everyone for watching. See you sa ating next episode. Bye-bye!